Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of how to do a partial refund on eBay. This is a handy skill for any eBay seller who wants to maintain good customer relations and handle transactions smoothly. Let's dive into the details. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. If you're new to eBay, you can easily create an account. Simply click on Create an Account and decide whether you'd like a personal or business account. You'll need to provide your full legal name, email, and password. For a quicker setup, you can also choose to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Once you've completed these steps, click on Create an Account and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your setup. Now that your account is ready, head to the upper right corner of the eBay homepage and click on Summary to access your My eBay Selling overview. If you're interested in other types of refunds, we have a separate video on issuing a full refund on eBay, which you can find on our channel. However, today we'll focus on partial refunds, which are straightforward and essential for resolving many common seller-buyer issues. To issue a partial refund, start by navigating to your active listings. Here, you'll see a list of items you're currently selling. Find the specific item for which you'd like to issue a partial refund. Click on the item to open its details. You should see a small downward arrow. Click on it and select Send Refund. Enter the amount you wish to refund for this particular item. Remember to be fair and considerate in your offer. Next, it's critical to visit the Returns dashboard. Select View Return Details next to the relevant item. From there, you can choose Offer a Partial Refund and click Continue. Enter the partial refund amount you wish to propose to the buyer. It's also a good idea to add a personalized message explaining the reason for the partial refund, as this can improve communication and transparency. Once you're ready, click Send Offer. Keep in mind that you can only offer a partial refund once, and the buyer has the option to accept or decline your offer. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, don't hesitate to click on the Help and Contact button. You can search for How to Offer a Partial Refund to find more detailed guidance from eBay's support resources. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial on issuing partial refunds on eBay helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.